jump on. There it goes. All right, let's take a lot for tonight. I guess evidently just shut up and pick was the key. Okay, so this is a GeGe AP2000. Oh, let's get this over here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this for you guys. So this has a lot of the fun GeGe features. There's the Keyway. Let's get this thing locked back up. And get my trusty follower out here. Okay, set that aside. We'll talk about this first. Oop, get back in there. Okay. Key is down. All right. So all that little bit of tapping and stuff I was doing at the end is dealing with this overmilling. GeGe overmilling is kind of obnoxious. The tolerances on these aux are very good. So this has overmilling on 5 out of the 6 key pins. The first is an anti-drill pin, and once I pull the drivers out, you'll see we have a bunch of double spools, all of the GeGe style double spools. So let's get this in focus. Right there. Okay. Where is that? There's 1, 2, 3, and a master, 4, and a master, 6, and 5, and a master. This thing is only rated blue belt, by the way. Okay, so let's fix our zoom here. Okay, just like this. Oops. There's 1 double spool. Sometimes they do have an anti-drill pin there. Depends on what people paid for. There's another double spool. The single versus double versus triple spools are all dependent upon your key pin height. Come on. Alright, what is that? Let's get this one, another double spool. Also picked a GeGe P Extra, and picking this was very, very similar to picking the P Extra. Alright. There's 6, double spool. Spring out. And there's 5, a double spool. Our last one, 4, another double spool. Come on. There it goes. There's the spring. There's the key. Pardon the noise there. Oops. And let's get our focus correct. There we go. I swear I'm gonna upgrade my camera to one with autofocus. It actually works, guys. I swear, I swear. Alright. Thank you all.